This video will walk you through 4 methods to delete Kindle books from your iPad, helping you easily free up storage space on your device. Part 1. How to delete books from the Kindle app on iPad. If you just want to remove downloaded books from your iPad without affecting the content in your cloud account, you can do this directly through the Kindle app. Step 1. Open your iPad device and then go to the Kindle app. Finally, navigate to your library. Scroll down to the bottom and choose the device option. Step 2. Now, if you are viewing the books in the list mode, you can swipe left to archive a book or a sample. As mentioned above, choose the delete option to delete samples from the iPad and archive to delete purchase books. Step 3. But if you are viewing the books in the grid mode, tap and hold to see the options. Choose the delete permanently option to delete sample books from the iPad and the remove from device option to delete purchase books from the iPad. Part 2. How to delete Kindle books on iPad from Amazon. If you want to completely delete a book, rather than just removing the download, you need to do so from the account management page on Amazon. This method will permanently delete the book from the cloud, and it will no longer be accessible on any device after deletion. Step 1. Open a web browser and go to Amazon.com. Step 2. Log in with the same Amazon account linked to your Kindle app. Step 3. Hover over Account and Lists and select Manage Your Content and Devices. Step 4. Click the Content tab. Step 5. Find the book you want to delete and check the box next to it. Step 6. Click Delete at the top of the page. Step 7. Confirm by selecting Yes, Delete Permanently. Part 3. How to delete all Kindle books from iPad. If you want to clear all Kindle downloads at once, you can do so by deleting and reinstalling the Kindle app. Step 1. On the iPad home screen, press and hold the Kindle app icon. Step 2. Select Delete App. Step 3. Confirm the deletion. Step 4. Open the App Store, and then re-download and install the Kindle app. Part 4. How to delete Kindle books from iPad using Coolmuster iOS Assistant. Coolmuster iOS Assistant allows you to view, export, and delete files on your iPad from your computer, including Kindle books, photos, videos, app data, and more. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster iOS Assistant on your Windows or Mac computer. Connect your iPad to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. The software will automatically detect your connected device, and a pop-up window will appear on your computer. Simply tap Trust on your device, then click Continue to proceed. Once your device is recognized, the main interface will appear as shown below. Step 3. Go to Books in the software interface, select the Kindle books you want to delete, and then click Delete and confirm the action.